Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss and it's Roshain Reviews. So we're here on BRAEMAR Avenue taking an update of a new project that started. It's Via at BRAEMAR. That's the name of the project. So I'll be just showing you guys around so you guys can see what's happening. So this project, as I mentioned, is on BRAEMAR Avenue, New Kingston. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing is completely free, so just turn that red subscribe button gray. Turn on your notification bell as well, so that once there is an upload, you'll be notified and you don't miss anything. So again, BRAEMAR Avenue, taking a look at this new project, Via at BRAEMAR. Remember to like the video as well. Share the video so that more persons can see. And also leave a comment at the end. All that will also help YouTube to share the video to more persons that are new to the channel as well. So this is a mega development by Proven REIT, Proven Investment Firm. That's the institution that is developing this project. It was sold out like in 2 weeks when they open bids, when they open for selling. So it was well sought after. Some of the amenities will be rooftop pool. It will be 10 floors, 10 story. You'll have balcony for each apartment. You'll have business areas. You'll have concierge, coffee shop, and other stuff as well. It was being developed as a housing solution for middle class people, for middle class persons. But a lot of persons was debating that. A lot of persons was up in arms based on the prices. Prices started like at 27 million Jamaican dollars for a 1-bedroom. That was like 195,000 US. And even the lowest cost apartment, which is a studio apartment, the monthly mortgage on that would have been like 130,000 Jamaican dollars as well. So a lot of persons had an issue with that. Yeah, so a lot of persons had concerns based on the cost, but yet it was being developed and being deemed as a middle class housing solution. For like the 2-bedroom, it was like 40 million Jamaican dollars, and then the penthouse was like 45 million Jamaican dollars as well. So not sure who they consider as middle class, but a lot of persons were saying like teachers, you know, police officers, you know, those government workers wouldn't have been able to afford such type of housing, even though they're saying it's middle class. But let me know your thoughts on that, guys. Let me know your input. Let me know what you have to say. But at the end of the day, it's completely sold out though. The location is well sought after, 21 BRAEMAR Avenue in New Kingston. So the location is ideal. The amenities are ideal as well. And as I mentioned, it's gonna be quite a number of floors. So it's 10 floors to be exact. The project is being developed at a cost of $2.5 billion. That's 2.5 billion Jamaican dollars is the cost that Proven REIT, Proven Real Estate Investment Trust, is spending on this project. It's close to some other developments, such as the Hampshire. It's close to the Cambridge as well. And what I'll do, I'll take a drive around to that side so you see how close it is to some other major real estate residential development that were just completed as well. So via at BRAEMAR, not much to see as yet. This is the first, no, this is the second video. The first video was before any construction started, so this would be the second video. They're just about, I think, probably 1 story up now, so they basically just started construction. And yes, I'll give you guys a lot more updates on this project as it goes along, just keeping you guys updated. So what we'll do, we'll drive around this area to show you guys a little bit of the Cambridge. Have a full video on that project. I'll put it in the description. I'll also put the first video I did on this project via at BRAEMAR in the description, and I'll also put the link for the Hampshire as well. The Hampshire is complete, it's finished, and the Cambridge is still under construction. So New Kingston, BRAEMAR Avenue, giving you guys an update on what's happening around this side. Alright, so some glimpses of the final project. This is the via at BRAEMAR. Just driving around as promised. And then we move down to the Hampshire, and then the Cambridge. So the Cambridge is on the left. Sorry, the Hampshire is on the left. Again, this is BRAEMAR Avenue. We're turning onto Comlin Bank Avenue. So this is the Hampshire on the left. I'll maybe just turn into it and then turn back out. Alright, so this is it. Let me do a slow turn in. And again, the full video is on the channel, so I'll link that as well. And then directly in front of us is the Cambridge. So the Cambridge is still under construction. This one will have multiple different clusters. I'll put a link in the description as well for the Cambridge. Did a walk-in review of this one. So this is the Cambridge. So as you see, three of them very close together. You know, this area will be a very nice area when every one of them is finished. And then down this side is a billboard with the Cambridge. So we have pool, jogging trail. Don't think it's sold out yet because it's a no selling. This one is being developed by Guardian Group. And this is Musgrave Avenue. Alright guys, so that's Musgrave Avenue, BRAEMAR Avenue. The main review was via at BRAEMAR, but we were able to still drive around the community just to show you the Hampshire and the Cambridge. So remember to like, remember to leave a comment, and remember to definitely subscribe as well. Thanks for watching, thanks for all the support, and I'll see you guys on another video.